Hi, I'm Lara Ferry, Associate Dean in ASU's New College of Interdisciplinary Arts and Sciences. Today I want to talk to you about special opportunities to enhance your education through applying your knowledge outside of the classroom and into experiential learning opportunities. This will not only enrich your studies, but also allow you to beef up your resume and make you uniquely competitive on the job market or when entering grad school. Here in New College and across ASU, we have a variety of opportunities for what we call experiential learning. These include capstone courses, internships, apprenticeships, the practice labs or luminosity labs, service learning, global learning, and research. You may be wondering, what's the difference, or how do I choose between these options? Let us break it down to help you find the best fit for your individual situation. First, we have capstone courses. In a capstone course, you and your fellow classmates will be matched with one of our industry partners over the course of a semester to solve a real problem. This will allow you to gain actual experience while creating innovations within the career field that you are interested in. This is an amazing resume builder. Then there are internships. Through an internship, undergraduate students are placed at a company or organization in their desired field. You will experience hands-on the actual day-to-day tasks you will encounter early in your career. Internships can be for credit or they can be paid. Additionally, if you already work for a company where you seek to remain for the long term, you could pursue an apprenticeship. While remaining employed, you will learn directly from an expert in the field and could eventually use this too for university credit. Another option is to participate in what are known as the practice labs, or also the luminosity labs, where students are paid to conduct work and solve problems for an industry partner. This usually requires involvement for more than a semester and a deep commitment to the project and to your team of fellow students. For something a little different, you could also try service learning. This unique opportunity allows students to apply knowledge and skills learned in the classroom to meaningful service to the community. Service learning provides personal growth while also strengthening your community by addressing unmet need. Another popular option to enrich your experience is through global learning, or what's also known as study abroad. This beneficial experience introduces students to diverse learning opportunities, such as exposure to a new culture, learning a new language, and growing personally as a confident and independent professional. Lastly, you might be interested in conducting research. At New College, we take pride in offering our undergraduates the unique opportunity to work side by side with our faculty. This includes the possibility to assist or take a hand in writing papers, presenting your research at conferences, and participating in some of the most innovative work happening in the country. With so many options available to you, how will you figure out what's right for you, or what's the next step? Start now by reaching out to your advisor and see what fits into your academic plan and your personal class schedule. Remember, this is your chance to advance your skills, enhance your resume, and make sure you are a standout candidate in your field.